Hi everyone, I'm Robert. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the basics that you need for learning to play the piano. If you have a piano or keyboard, that's fine, but if you don't, you need to get one, obviously. The 88 key digital piano is recommended as it has a very good key action that will develop correct playing. You can also start with a small instrument, which is 61 keys or 76 keys. These are known as keyboards, and they're also much more affordable. But whatever instrument you do want, you must make sure that it's touch sensitive. That means that if you hit a note heavily, it produces a loud sound, and if you just touch it very lightly, it produces a soft sound. So obviously we need that for playing the piano. If it's not touch sensitive, it'll all sound the same, and that's no good, for anybody. You can buy them online, new or second hand, and you can also get them in music shops. Now I will teach you the names of the notes on the keyboard or the piano, and you will see that there are white and black keys on the piano. So let's start with that now. So touch all the black keys. And as you can see, the black keys in groups of twos and groups of threes, and then groups of twos and groups of threes. So you do that, touch all the group of twos and then all the group of three black notes. That's it. Now I'm going to teach you the names of the notes. They're quite easy to remember because they follow the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it's repeated. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it starts again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it goes like that all the way up and down the piano. So let's look where that A is. So from the group of three black notes, which I'm touching here, you can see that the A is in between the second and if this is 1, 2, 3, it's between 2 and 3. So that's A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Thank you for listening, and subscribe for more videos, please. Thank you.